Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with the engine warm to thin the oil, park level, and set the parking brake. Once done, lift the front with a jack and secure with stands so you have safe access. Make sure you remove the oil fill cap to aid draining. Next, position a drain pan under the oil pan drain plug and use a socket to slightly loosen the plug. You want to begin the process now, not circle back to prep later. After the oil flows mostly clear, wipe the drain plug area and reinstall the plug, torquing to 29 foot-pounds to prevent leaks. Once the plug is secure, move to the oil filter. Strip off the old filter, let residual oil drain, and clean the mounting surface. You lubricate the new gasket with fresh oil so it seats properly. Then thread the filter by hand and finish with the specified snugness. Hand tight plus about 3/4 of a turn, so the seal is reliable but not overcompressed. You pour in 5 liters, about 7 quarts of 5W30 oil through the filler, then wait a few minutes and check the dipstick to bring level to full. Do not overfill. Once done, run the engine for about a minute, then shut off and recheck for leaks around the filter and drain plug. If you see wetness, tighten mildly. Troubleshooting tip: if oil pressure light stays on after refilling, turn off, confirm oil level, and recheck filter/drain tightness before seeking help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.